In this video, I am going to show you 3-step process that will help you to make your side hustle into the main hustle. What is side hustle? Side hustle is something that you do to make some money apart from your job. Alright, step number 1, focus on building a skill. When you are starting, if you will focus on the money, then you will realize you are making very small money and you have to put hard work, you have to do so many work as compared to your job salary. Because job में comfortable life के साथ एक अच्छा income आप generate कर रहे हैं. So when I was in a job, that time I started focusing on building skill. I learned digital marketing consultation skill. I learned Facebook marketing skill. I learned funnel building skill. So when you are planning to making some money by doing some side hustle, then focus on building a skill only. Number 2, secure your family financially. If you have money and you and your family is financially secure, then only you can focus on the work. What I did when I started making money by my side hustle, I took the 2 clients for the Facebook advertisement, and I was making 30,000 rupees per month. जो 30,000 रुपये मैंने बनाने लगा, तो इसको मैंने सेव किया कि if I quit my job, that time at least मेरे पास 6 month का बैकअप होना चाहिए. I saved that money and plan to quit my job. Number 3, quit your job and start entrepreneurship journey. I have seen the people when they made first money, they quit their job. And they were not able to make money continuously. When you are planning to quit your job, अगर आप जॉब छोड़ने का प्लान कर रहे हैं, उसके पहले आप ये इंश्योर करें कि एटलीस्ट 3 to 6 मंथ आपके साइड हसल से आपका कंटिन्यू पैसा बन रहा है. I was making money by doing Facebook advertisement for the business owners, and I was making money from continuous 6 months. Then I planned to quit my job. And also focus on learning a skill like hiring people, firing people, tough conversation, and collaboration skill. I made mistake in this part. I made mistake in the hiring people. I made mistake in the firing people. I made mistake in the collaboration. I collaborated with the wrong people. So when you start your entrepreneurship journey, still focus on building the skill like hiring people, firing people, and so many skill like marketing, persuasion, coaching, and all these things. And I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, click the button below and subscribe this. Thank you.